2026 is going to surprise a lot of people financially in a good way if they position themselves early. So here are 5 beginner-friendly stocks to watch before the year hits. Hey ladies, welcome back to Lane to Wealth. I'm Claudie, new to YouTube, but I'm not new to building. I've been an entrepreneur for almost 10 years and I've been investing and trading for over 5. I'm finally documenting all this publicly because women deserve real conversations about money without fear, confusion, or gatekeeping. And before we get into this, I have to say it for the algorithm. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm studying, what I'm paying attention to, and why these companies matter going into 2026. So, why these stocks? I'm not giving you hype stocks or lottery picks. These are companies sitting in industries that will shape the next 5 to 15 years. AI, cybersecurity, data, innovation, and steady long term wealth. And like I always tell you, you don't need 20 stocks, you just need a few strong ones that you understand. So let's start with stock number one, CrowdStrike. Let's start strong with CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity company that's basically becoming the security system for the entire digital world. Think about it. Everything is online. Money, personal data, businesses, government systems. And guess what grows no matter what happens in the economy? Cyber crime. So companies that protect the world from crazy stuff happening online, they're not going anywhere. CrowdStrike has recurring revenue, massive corporate clients, government contracts, the best AI-powered security in the industry. Future visualization. Picture this, it's 2030. Cyber attacks have doubled, and cybersecurity is the number one business priority. CrowdStrike is the company everyone wishes they bought early. All right, let's go with stock number two, Amazon. I know. Amazon sounds boring, but boring is usually where the money is. Amazon is not a shopping company, and people forget that. Amazon is a cloud company, AWS, an AI company, a data company, a logistic empire, a subscription service, a healthcare disruptor, a global marketplace. They have income streams everywhere. And for beginners, Amazon is a perfect long term stock because it grows slow, steady, and consistently. You're not gambling, you're building. Future visualization, imagine 5 years from now. Amazon is even bigger because of AI and robotics, and you're the one who started buying when everyone was distracted. So, stock number three, Eli Lilly, the weight loss giant. So Eli Lilly is one of the companies leading the wave in new weight loss drugs and long-term health innovation. And listen, whether we like it or not, the world is investing in health tech. People want longevity, energy, better health, aging better, science-backed results. So Eli Lilly has blockbuster drugs, increasing demand, global attention, strong financials, long-term growth potential. This is one of those companies quietly shaping the future of health, and beginners need at least one healthcare stock in their watch list. So let's go with stock number four. NVIDIA runs the entire AI industry. Let me explain it simply. AI can't grow without NVIDIA. The world's biggest companies rely on NVIDIA chips. NVIDIA is like the gasoline for the AI boom. Every time a company says they're using AI, NVIDIA is behind it. And here's the part beginners underestimate. NVIDIA doesn't need hype anymore. It has position, it has demand, it has dominance. Imagine it's 2036, AI is fully mainstream, and NVIDIA has the backbone the whole time. So stock number five, Palantir. Yes, Palantir stays on the list. It's your bonus stock, but it's also one of the most powerful long-term companies in the AI world. Palantir is not TikTok AI, not fun app AI. This is government level, military level, life or death AI. They build software for defense security, hospitals, supply chains, national infrastructure. This is why people who understand Palantir don't trade it, they accumulate it. So future visualization. Imagine AI runs everything in the background, and Palantir is the company that keeps it all from collapsing. So those are the 5 stocks I'm watching closely heading into 2026. Not hype, not gambling, just powerful industries with long-term potential. If you're a housewife, single mom, rebuilding, woman, or someone who wants to stop depending on just one income, you're in the right community. My channel is about helping you understand money through wisdom, clarity, and confidence, not chaos. So subscribe, comment, I'm early, and get ready because next video we're breaking down the starter portfolio for women who are building from scratch in 2026. Thank you for watching because on this channel we don't chase wealth, we're chosen to create it. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.